So, you've taken the plunge and purchased a drone. One of the best things you can do to develop your skills as a drone pilot and videographer is take your drone with you on your next holiday. What about the rules, you say? Sure, it's super important to adhere to the drone laws. It goes without saying. Flying over people, roads and private property is not a good idea. But holidays provide an excellent opportunity to video nature in all its glory. Sunrise and sunset are the best times to film. Beautiful colours and lighting, less people around. It's just magic. You need to pay careful attention to what is happening around you. Anywhere that you can find where there's no people is a great place to fly. There are so many spots that are just so quiet and beautiful, especially at sunrise or sunset. In a riverside park like this one, there's a lot of pedestrians and joggers and cyclists, so you need to find a quiet spot and take off over the water. The first thing is to be mindful that you're not flying within 30 meters of other people. Flying through clouds or fog is breaking the visual line of sight rule. This beach on Phillip Island was a classic example of just too many people around. So what did I do? Finally found a quiet spot and went straight out over the ocean.